Hi guys, I am Hitesh and today I am here with this product which is Leadler, and this is Leadler review. And in this Leadler, we will see what this product will do for you, what this product can solve the problem, which type of the solutions this product will provide you. So it can do send unlimited emails, SMS also, social media messages also. So three things you are going to get: SMSs, emails and messages. Three things you can do directly. Okay, because if you go through another, so if you go for another softwares, you can do only one things. Okay, even after you have to pay monthly, but here you don't have to pay monthly, guys. Okay, you have to just pay one time and you will be able to do all these things. Okay, with the help of the package of this Leadler, you can even replace your email marketing tools or responders, auto responders, whatever. This is again a auto responders. Just you can go through the link below and you will be redirect on this page, and here you will be able to get all the information which I provided you. Even if you have any doubt, you can just click any green button on this page and you will redirect on this page here where you will get more information in details. Okay, so just say goodbye to old or school autoresponder lead generation methods. So what you are going to get, actually you will get some new methods and strategies. Okay, just by using this member access area. You can see here I'm coming with this member access area. We will go through each and every these features. We will try to discover all these things. I'm not coming with any type of the practice. I will just do each and everything directly in front of you. Okay guys, so this is the dashboard, this is member access area. You can just take more in-depth information directly on this page after redirecting from this page. Okay, after clicking on any green button on this page, some bonuses I'm providing you. I will show you each and everything, but important and main information I already provided on this page, guys. Okay, so you have to just take action after learning each and everything. You can just go through it. Maybe I left it, maybe I will leave something important information in this demo or in this Leadler review video, but no worry, you can just come on this page, take more information, redirect on this page, take more information, and just take in and just take actions. So guys, this is Leadler member access area. You can see this is new link button. Okay, I will try to see what is inside this. Some team access, you can just create some team also. You can provide some work to your team members, something like that. Okay, so you can just manage them users also. This is all for that all options. Okay guys, so as you can just log out after doing this. So this is dashboard. So let's see what will happen here. This is some analysis, some stats, and this is new link. So if I will click on that, so let's see what will happen. So I'm just clicking on this. So I think it's not working right now for me because this is basic version. Okay, guys, this is not completely finished yet. All connections and all internal algorithms it is not finished right now. Okay, with that, but no worry, I'm just going on this integration. Actually I can show you all these functions. Okay, so after that you will be able to understand this product is going to fit for you or not. So guys, you can just do some social media integrations, Twitter and LinkedIn. Why Twitter and LinkedIn? Because on Twitter you can get some normal type of the people, but on LinkedIn you will always get professionals, you will always get B2B opportunities, B2C opportunities just by using LinkedIn. So that's why you can do this, because actually this will be in actually this will be directly business opportunity working inside the dashboard. You don't have to go here and there. Okay, so you can just directly connect this one, and from inside this you can just run your work. Okay, and this is Google. Okay, so you can just add this one. You might be thinking how to add this one. You have to just put your API, something like that. Okay, so API key and some maybe some Google Pixel options, so you can just do some analytics also. So this will be integration, guys. Okay, so campaigns. So from here you will start creating campaigns. Okay, so just you can see here people already made munch from munchai, demo test, all these things active, and you can just edit them. Okay, if you have anything, and you can just active them also. So I'm just doing edit first, and later we will create our own new campaign, guys. Okay, so for example, if I edit, so what is inside this, something. Okay, I'm just watching what is inside this. Okay, you can also watch, you are also watching actually. So actually this is a little bit technical, guys. Okay, so no worry, you will learn inside the training, because you are going to get tutorials video here. You can see. trainings video you are going to get. So no worry, you can send unlimited emails, messages, and messages on messengers. Okay, so online messages, text messages also you will be able to send. Okay, because I already mentioned all these things here. See, send unlimited emails, SMS, text, and social media messages, something like messengers, WhatsApp, something like that. Okay, guys. So just try to create new campaign. So let's see what will be happen. Campaign name is fashion, for example. Tags will be obviously fashion, lifestyle. Okay, something like that. Okay, life, luxury, life, something like that will be text because I'm talking about fashion. Okay, so this text will be related to that niche. So description, just take action on this page to see next life. Redirect URL. So right now I don't have any URL, but no worry, I will try to my own URL just to show you. So this will be my page, landing page. Okay, you can see enable this option, attach tracking pixel. So okay, so this is for Google Pixel, which I already shown you here in integration. Okay, so this will be like that. So you will be able to track how many people are coming on your pages, how many people are taking actions, how many people are engaging with your pages, something like that. And you can just enable this also. Okay, so you will learn this inside the training. I'm not going much deeper with each and everything, and you can just do autofill parameters to target URL. So I'm just leaving this now as well. Same, and you can just automate these things. Okay, if you will automate this thing, then it will be good. Okay, use integrations for synchronize leads. So using HTML forms, using third-party apps. So be instead going third party apps, you can just go with this HTML form. So you will take all type of the information from your leads. Okay, so it will be something like that. So parameters, this is for show and hide. Okay, so what you want to take from them, you want to take name and you want to take email. Even if you want to take some more things, so you can just add also. Okay, so you can just do all these things, but this is mainly people for email marketing, they just use this thing, and you can just submit this thing. Okay, guys, so I am just going to submit, for example. So you can see here it's working right now. This option is working. So this is fashion, this one is my one. Okay, you can see some URLs of the people. This is my own URL, you can see. Okay, so I just used this one. Okay, so I'm just going to delete right now because my URL will be active. You are sure you want to, yes, I want to delete this one. So I'm just going to deleting, guys. So just back again. Okay, this is something like HTTP technicals. So it will be like that. So these are some links. Let's see what will coming inside the links. Leadler.live. Okay, some links, something like this. Okay, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, some social apps which you link. So what will happen? You can just directly do some organic traffic and organic shares from here. So some backlinks will be created, and some organic traffic you also eligible to get. Okay, so this is what. Okay, this is for preview. I think this is edit and all these things. So new link, for example. Okay, let's try this one. What is inside this campaign? Okay, I have fashion campaign, so I'm just going to link this one. Okay, target URL. I already kept this one. You can just fetch. Okay, actually I deleted my, sorry guys, but no worry. We'll see meta, social option, integration. Okay, and you can just play around with all these options, guys. Okay, and you have to just put this, choose the file, submit. Okay, so for example, I will try this. So you can just, after importing your, you can just import these options. Okay, after importing your, you can just connect with this one. Some, let's see somewhat integrations, HTML forms, third-party apps. If you have any type of third-party apps, you can just select, you will just select them and you will be able to submit. Some customize option, let's see what is this, some playing around option, something like colors, brand logo, and something like that. So I'm just coming back on the meta and I'm just going to submit this one right now. So it will be linked, guys. Okay, so actually you have to just follow this system. You can see here. Okay, you have to just follow these systems and you will be able to see all analytics here. So all leads, okay, all list will be come here. What type of the leads you got, okay, something like that. So this is, for example, you got from Twitter. Okay, so you will be able to get this leads. You can just run with okay, you can just go with this package and you will be able to run. Actually, you will be able to replace your different all type of the autoresponder, something like email marketing tool, something like that. Because step one, you can just see login into your this product in this tool, upload your list. If you don't have one, use, see here it's written Leadless one click opt-in package to instantly start getting top quality leads. Okay, so you will start getting leads. You don't have to go with another tools. Okay, you will start getting leads from here directly, and just you have to start doing some email marketing campaigns and something like that. So this is lead set, guys. So this is sent unlimited emails. So let's see what is coming inside this. It's loading. Till then we can discuss some another things. So this is training. Let me show you what is coming inside training. I think it's not uploaded right now. It will be uploaded. No worry, guys. This is not completed right now, guys. So no worry. These two things will be done. Okay, training, you have to just follow each and every step. This will be inside this. Okay, guys, so that's how this product will work, guys. This is little bit overview. Complete integration and complete technical or complete normal knowledge you will get inside the training, guys. I'm not going with bonuses and support. In support, you have to just ask anything. Bonuses you are already going to get. Okay, um, let me click. Okay, so it's not uploaded right now. So this will be training. You have to just follow all these things. I shown you overview. Okay, not, I didn't go much deeper with each and everything, but you will be able to do all these things, okay, by taking training from here. So I'm done from my side, guys. No, you have to take action. Even if you have any doubt, you can just go in the comment and you can just ask me. I just shown you this member access area from overview level. Okay, you will get each and every information here. I already mentioned each and every information on my page. Just take any action on this green button and you will be redirected to the main page, and you can just access this member access area later to perform your work. Okay, guys, so I'm done from my side. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me anything in the comment, and later we will meet another time with new masterpiece. Till then, bye.